to ensure that they do not provide the sanctuary that they have provided historically to groups like Haqqani and the Taliban.
The president talked about that in that speech, laying out the policy guy, but it doesn't seem like Pakistan has changed.
Yeah, not just the harboring and aiding terrorists, the groups that he mentioned, but also, of course, Osama bin Laden as well. So if the Pakistanis aren't pulling their weight in this, that's obviously a problem. And when you look at the reports today, this was a 5-hour sustained attack on the airport, as you say, Susan, directed at our Secretary of Defense. I feel like sometimes here at home, this is sort of a forgotten war, but the enemy has not forgotten